Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into inauguration. 12 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Investiture, which means a ceremony at which honors or rank are formally conferred on a particular person. Investiture. For example, plural noun, investitures. Number 2. Opening, which means a ceremony or celebratory gathering at which a building, show, etc. is declared to be open. Opening. For example, I covered the opening of a new computerized diagnosis unit. Number 3. Start, which means the point in time or space at which something has its origin. Start. For example, that was the start of the trouble. Number 4. Coronation, which means the ceremony of crowning a sovereign or a sovereign's consort. Coronation. For example, the Queen's coronation. Number 5. Institution, which means the action of instituting something. Institution. For example, the institution of legal proceedings. Number 6. Establishment, which means the action of establishing something or being established. Establishment. For example, the establishment of a democratic constitution. Number 7. Initiation, which means the action of admitting someone into a secret or obscure society or group, typically with a ritual. Initiation. For example, rituals of initiation. Number 8. Installation, which means the action of installing someone or something, or the state of being installed. Installation. For example, the installation of the new Chancellor. Number 9. Formation, which means the action of forming or process of being formed. Formation. For example, they are trying to date the formation of the island's sand ridges. Number 10. Foundation, which means the action of establishing an institution or organization. Foundation. For example, soon after the foundation of the company. Number 11. Origination, which means the beginning or creation of something. Origination. For example, there are a number of theories on the origination of the name Number 12. Inception. Which means the establishment or starting point of an institution or activity. Inception. For example, she has been on the board since its inception 2 years ago. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.